Accounts haven't been passed, so this was a general body meeting, so this was not the annual general meeting, so accounts needed to be passed in the annual general meeting. So we'll call an AGM in 3 weeks' time and pass it. We also need to go through it because we are new and we don't have an idea of what expenses have happened for 3 years, because it's an accounts of 3 years. Accounts can only be passed in AGM, so we'll call an AGM and then pass it. When is the? We'll do it soon. We'll do it today or tomorrow.
Guys, please raise your hands.
I wore this. I got it when I was captain of India. So I decided I would wear it, but I did not realize that it is so loose. But I got this when I was captain, so I decided to wear it today. Yes, which is a good thing actually. पहले तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि it's an honor that I've been asked to take this role by the members when it's a new start for the BCCI. Coincidentally, fortunately or unfortunately, even when I became captain, it was a similar sort of a situation when I captained India for 6 years. And this is a similar sort of situation where, you know, things need to be brought back in place, reforms need to be done, you know, there's huge amounts of money to be paid to state associations, so it's a completely new start. So from that point of view, I find myself very fortunate to be in a position where I can make a change, and then it's a challenge. You know, I'll do it the way I know. I'll do it the way which I feel is best for BCCI, with no compromise on credibility, corruption free, and same for all BCCI. That's the way I led India, and that's the way I will take forward this organization with whatever time I have. I'll speak to him tomorrow. He's the captain of India. I think he's the most important man in Indian cricket as captain of India. I look at it that way. So we'll have a word with him, and as I said, we'll support him in every possible way. He wants to make this team the best in the world. It's been a great team, to be honest, the way they have played cricket in the last 3-4 years. They've been a fantastic side. Yes, you can say they haven't won a World Cup, but you don't win World Cups every time. So hopefully we'll support him to whatever he wants, and make sure that Indian cricket goes ahead smoothly. In terms of the test venues, we have a lot of states, a lot of venues. So we'll have to sit with him and see what he wants in that way, and take it forward from there. You see, the structures are there. The structures are there. The tournaments are there. There are a lot more teams now. In the last 3 years, the matches have doubled actually. When I played for Bengal and some of my colleagues played for the other state, there were about 1,000 games to be looked at. Now there are 2,000 games with new states, new affiliations. So we'll have to account for it. It's already been accounted this season. We'll have to make sure that the best tournament in the country is competitive, and it remains important to everyone, because that's where you get the Kohlis and the MS Dhonis and Ajinkya Rahanes of Indian cricket, Rohit Sharmas of Indian cricket. So that structure has to be at its best, and both structure-wise and financially, and that'll happen. That'll be the first thing to be done by the Apex Council. Make sure the first-class players are looked after. Yeah, conflict is still an issue. It's if you look at the last status report filed by the COA, they have addressed the conflict issue. I don't know when it will be heard and when it will be solved, so I really don't know about that. But we have to create the CAC, because the CAC will appoint a lot of selectors and other members, which are important part of Indian cricket. So we will do that, and we'll make sure that they don't have any conflict of interest. Neeru, I really don't know what it transpired with the COA and Virat and Ravi, so I don't know. But we now obviously the new body has taken over. The new office bearers have taken over. It'll be a proper discussion, and everything will be mutually discussed and taken forward. But be rest assured that we are here to make their life easier, not make their life difficult, and everything will be on the basis of performance.